turbofan thus can be thought of as a turbojet being used to drive a ducted fan, with both of these contributing to the thrust.
When an engine fire occurs, the temperature in the core section increases. The rise in temperature changes the resistance of the detectors. The engine fire computer constantly monitors the resistance value. This triggers the fire computer to give a fire warning in the cockpit. The fire computer unlocks the left engine fire switch. Now the switch can be pulled out. Using the switch sends multiple commands to close all the engine systems. Fuel supply to the engine is stopped by closing the engine spar valve and the fuel valves in the hydromechanical unit. The bleed air pressure regulating valve is closed to stop the engine bleed system. Hydraulic supply to the pump is stopped by closing a shutoff valve, and the hydraulic pump is depressurized to stop the output supply. The breakers of the integrated drive generator and the backup generator are tripped. By pulling the switch, the engine is starved of all possible sources that might have caused the fire.